Hello everyone! If you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for the perfect off-road camping trailer, this might just be the one for you. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this rugged, adventure-ready camper. Fully equipped with a rooftop tent, an outdoor kitchen, and all the gear you need for the wild. Let's check it out. This trailer is designed for off-road adventures with its lifted suspension, all-terrain tires, and lightweight but durable construction. The exterior is sleek, with a black and white color scheme that looks modern and tough. Yet, of the coolest features? The rooftop tent. It's easy to set up and provides an extra sleeping space, perfect for those who want to camp above ground. At the back, we have a fold-down ramp that makes loading and unloading gear super easy. Whether you're bringing bikes, a small ATV, or just extra camping gear, this space is versatile. Inside, you'll find a cozy setup with enough room to store your essentials. The screen doors keep bugs out while allowing fresh air in. Perfect for those summer nights. Now let's talk about one of the best parts. This fully functional outdoor kitchen. It comes with a built-in stove, a sink with running water, and plenty of storage for food, spices, and cooking utensils. Whether you're cooking breakfast at sunrise or grilling up dinner after a long day of exploring, this setup makes it easy and fun. And check this out. The trailer also has a retractable awning, perfect for creating a shaded outdoor living space. Plus, the roof has storage space for gear like kayaks, extra cargo, or even solar panels if you want to go completely off-grid. Overall, this trailer is built for adventure. Whether you're heading into the mountains, the desert, or a remote lakeside spot, it's got everything you need to stay comfortable while exploring the great outdoors. So, what do you think? Would you take this off-road trailer on your next adventure? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure-ready review. See you in the next one!